Hello everyone, Windroid here and welcome back to another video. Today we have a very special device to show you. It's the new Doogee S100 Pro, the most massive mobile phone I've ever tested in decades. But don't let its size fool you, this phone has some cool features that make it stand out from the crowd. Let's take a closer look. The first thing you'll notice about the S100 Pro is its gigantic form factor. This phone weighs close to a pound and is like a brick in the hand. It's definitely not for those who prefer thin and light smartphones. But what it lacks in portability, it makes up for in durability and battery life. The S100 Pro is a highly ruggedized 4G Android smartphone that can withstand drops, water, dust, and sand. It has an IP68, IP69K, and MIL, STD, 810H rating, which means it can survive some harsh environments. The SIM tray is also protected by a nice silicone seal. But the most impressive feature of this phone is its battery. The S100 Pro has a massive 22,000 mAh battery that can last for days on a single charge. It also supports reverse charging, which means you can use it as a power bank to charge other devices. You can charge it with a wire using the included 66-watt charger or wirelessly with 15-watt fast charging. The S100 Pro runs on Android 12 and has a decent performance thanks to its octa-core Helio G99 processor and 12 GB of RAM. You can also expand the RAM by 8 GB and the storage by up to 2 TB using a microSD card. On the back of the phone, you'll find 3 cameras, a 20-megapixel night vision camera, a 108-megapixel main camera, and a 16-megapixel wide-angle and macro camera. The cameras are not bad for social media, but they are not comparable to the quality of the latest iPhones or high-end Android devices. Below the cameras, there's a camping light that can produce 130 lumens of brightness. This is great for outdoor activities or emergencies, but be careful with the flashing modes as they can be very disorienting. The S100 Pro also has a night vision mode that lets you see in the dark using the night vision camera. This is a cool feature, but not very practical as you have to stare at a bright screen in the dark. So, who is this phone for? Well, if you're looking for a rugged smartphone that can also serve as a power bank and a camping light, then the S100 Pro might be for you. But if you're looking for a sleek and elegant smartphone with a great camera and display, then you might want to look elsewhere. The S100 Pro is available now for $600. That's all for today's review. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more smartphone reviews. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.